Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Mada and welcome to episode 4 of the Subaru Forest Off-Road project. So today I was originally going to do a snorkel install video for you guys, but unfortunately I'm having a few issues and I think this snorkel is not quite going to fit. I'm going to have to try and get myself another one. So instead today I think we're going to do a UHF install on the Forester. Yeah, so the kit I'm going to be installing today is a Oricom UHF kit. It comes with everything you need to install it. So you've got your wires, your antennas, your bracket, your UHF radio. So it should be pretty easy to install. I'm going to be installing it straight onto the battery, so it's continuously powered. Obviously you can turn the unit on and off at the unit itself, so it doesn't drain too much battery, but that way I can use it anytime I want, whether the car is running or not. So this is the actual UHF unit itself. As you can see, it's got all the control modules and display on that. So this would be the main unit you're working off. In my case, I'm going to be trying to fit the unit right under all of my switch panel. And from factory, my vehicle only has 2 switches in place and the rest are all blanks. And what I found is these 2 lower blanks perfectly fit this unit. So what I'm going to do is pull these 2 out, and that's where I'm going to fit this. So as you can see here, it's a very nice fit. The only problem is there's a little bit of plastic just behind the back there that I'll have to trim just to make it slide in all the way, and then it'll be pretty much a perfect fit to house this unit. So as you can see here, this is the actual plastic we're going to have to remove. So I think all we're going to do there is I'll cut these 2 tabs off and then probably just get a file or a Dremel in there and just make a little bit of space, and our UHF unit should fit in real snug and nice. This unit's sitting in there real nice now. It's literally just wedged in there, held in by the plastic, but it's real sturdy and sits in real nice. So now it's time to do the wiring. Now for my UHF bracket, I've gone and made myself a custom one because the one that came with the kit didn't quite match the profile of the Forester. So where I've mounted it is directly under a factory bolt, so I can easily remove it and do all that and not really modifying the car in any way. And yeah, so basically I just get my UHF aerial, I'll feed it through here and then run the cabling up to the unit in the cabin. Okay, so now at this point I've run the wires and antenna cabling through the car. So as you can see here from a bracket, just run it in behind the washer reservoir, then following it out into a little hole in the firewall down here, and that red cable you can see, that's the other wire we need to connect. So we have a fuse here, and the black is obviously our earth and negative, and the red's the positive. So the red cable we're just going to connect straight up onto the positive terminal of the battery, and the black negative, there's a little earthing point right at the side here, we're going to connect that to. And always remember, when you're doing this sort of stuff, always disconnect your battery. Then when you come to the inside of the car here, you can see we've got our antenna cable here and our power leads here, which will just connect straight into the back of this unit. Alright, so we now have a working radio. I've just finished off the wiring, as I'll show you here. So the positive lead obviously connected to the positive, just tied it up with a few cable ties. The earth, as you can see up there, the yellow there, originally I was going to put it up against there, but the cable wasn't quite long enough, so I've just removed that bracket, bared the metal down, stripped the paint to bare metal so I get a good earth in contact, and then chuck that on there, and the antenna wire obviously as well. Just try to neatly put it in there with a few cable ties. And then when we come inside the vehicle, we've got our UHF fitted with our microphone attachment, and just the excess antenna cabling. I've just put a zip tie around that. I'll just chuck this away in there, put the fuse holder back in, and she's pretty good to go. So as you can see here, we have a working UHF. Okay, my UHF install is now done. Finished it off with this little mount just on top of my dash. So I've got my microphone here and all my controls here. Turns on real nice. Then I've got volume control and all that just on the top here, and it's going to be real handy to be able to talk to your mates and everything when you're out on the track. So yeah, good little mod to do. Okay, that's it for this installation video. So if you've been enjoying this series so far, I'll let you know there's still plenty more mods to come. The next video is definitely going to be the snorkel installation, and following that we'll have a variety of videos such as speedo corrector kits, we'll do a custom front and rear bars on this thing, we'll go through camping setups, rooftop tent, maybe some custom lockers, winch, four drive lighting, etc. And then we'll do a whole heap of videos where I push this thing to the limit out in the forest and have a good bit of fun with it. Don't forget, if you want to purchase your own Subaru lift kit, Superlift Oz has very kindly teamed up with this channel and they're offering a 5% discount on their lift kits. So all you have to do is use the coupon MARDO5 on checkout and you can save yourself 5% on your lift kit. So definitely jump into that if you want to lift your Subaru. So that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. If you're enjoying this content, subscribe for more, and yeah, I'll see you next time.